Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your phone. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel. So the first step is to open your Play Store or your App Store and then search for WhatsApp. You're gonna see WhatsApp Messenger. You tap on that and then you can click install. It's very easy and straightforward, so it's gonna install depending on the speed of your internet. Might take about 5 or 30 seconds. After installation, you're gonna have to click on open. You select your language. I'm gonna go with English, and then you agree to the terms and conditions at the bottom here. After that, you can input your phone number and then you can start using WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please give it a like and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.